Here I've got Nokia 6.1 and let me show you all the ringtones on the following device. So, to locate them you have to open the list of all applications and go to the settings. Now scroll down a bit and open sound. Here go to the phone ringtone and just come along with all of them. So, let's start with Nokia Tune. Then you can tap on plus to add some other songs to your list. So if you have any of your favorite artist's song, then you can, by tapping on plus, add it to all the ringtones, and then you can also set it up as the tone of the incoming call. So that would be all. These are all the ringtones on your device, on your Nokia 6.1. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.